Gear up for an invigorating voyage into the essence of Stoic philosophy, where triumphs are secured without the clash of swords. This tutorial grants you exclusive access to the enigmatic techniques of intellectual combat, enabling you to outwit foes effortlessly. Consider this your strategic manual for tackling life's hurdles with the savvy of an expert tactician. We're delving into more than just standard life lessons. This is your insider's guide to the arcane wisdom of Stoicism, transforming barriers into pathways. It's not about direct conflict, it's about forging an armor of tenacity that repels life's unexpected challenges. Strap in and prepare for an adventure that's set to revolutionize your approach to life's unpredictable journey. Are you captivated? We're on the verge of decoding the strategy to vanquish your foe without engaging in battle. Number 1. Maintain composure and withhold gratification. In life's grand coliseum, where challenges lay down their gauntlet, Stoicism reveals its premier tactic: maintain composure and withhold gratification. Envision this as the heroic feat of ancient philosophy, a mantle of imperturbable poise that baffles opponents. This tenet transcends mere tranquility. It's about ascending to the role of Zen sovereign of your saga. Picture a moment of adversity where you wield an arcane force, the ability to deny adversaries the pleasure of your dismay. It's akin to possessing a cloak of invisibility against their taunts. This Stoic strategy isn't solely about enduring the tempest. It's about riding the tumultuous waves with an assured smile. This doctrine proclaims to the cosmos that while external turmoil may seek to disturb your peace, it shall not prevail. By presenting a composed facade, you broadcast a declaration. You are the maestro guiding your serenity amidst life's cacophony. So secure your seatbelt, for in the realm of Stoicism, serenity is not merely an aptitude. It's a brilliant superpower that casts you as the serene protagonist of your narrative. Number 2. The Stoic stare. Visualize it as your electrified gaze, a potent aura that not only meets but profoundly influences. This is no ordinary ocular engagement. It's a commanding gesture that radiates assurance sans a spoken word. Echoing the timeless adage of the Stoic luminary Epictetus, our external situations are beyond our control, yet our reactions to them are always within our grasp. As you engage in a visual standoff with your rival, see yourself as the sovereign of unspoken dialogue. The Stoic stare is far from a simple look. It's a tactical maneuver that thwarts their efforts at intimidation. It's comparable to awakening a dauntless superhero within, catching them unprepared with your steadfast resolve. This is not merely a stare, it's a ballet of ascendancy. Your eyes orchestrate a symphony resonating with fortitude and endurance. It's an ocular proclamation that morphs mere eye contact into an influential instrument, commanding esteem and solidifying your indomitable presence in the theater of life. Prepare to dominate the spotlight with your gaze, a silent might that neutralizes foes and imprints a lasting impression. 3. The alliance of Stoicism and allies. In the fortress of unyielding alliances, strength harmonizes with unity, composing a resilient anthem. This journey transcends mere connections. It's about forging a legion of steadfast allies, kin, comrades, or professional pillars within the Stoic realm. This spectacle surpasses teamwork. It's an epic display of the inherent power that comes from unity. The adage, "strength in unity," amplifies in Stoicism, where your support network embodies the collective force of endurance. It's not about confronting challenges in solitude, but about harnessing the heroic vigor that unity bestows. Visualize crafting a bastion of unwavering support, a protective aura that exudes might and leaves adversaries in doubt. In the grand narrative of Stoic existence, your allies are not mere supporters but co-stars in a grand saga of shared fortitude, transforming life's hurdles into simple narrative twists. So, arm yourself with the dynamic insights of Stoic alliances. In this grand coalition, battles are not merely faced, they are conducted as a timeless concerto of solidarity, resonating with perpetual serenity. 4. The ascent of Stoic self-improvement. Envision a dance of virtue where you ascend beyond the murky depths of retribution, by concentrating on self-enhancement. It's not about diminishing foes, but about commanding their respect as you evolve into your most formidable self. Echoing the Stoic philosopher Epictetus, life is not short. Rather, we squander its moments. Let this wisdom be your guiding light, a reminder that time is too precious to be spent on revenge. In Stoicism, victory is not found in conquest, but in a steadfast commitment to virtuous existence. Picture your rivals uneasy at the sight of your authentic joy and towering achievements, resenting that your unwavering dedication to virtue is the ultimate trump. This philosophy is a transformative odyssey, a noble quest where you rise above triviality and malice. Rather than succumbing to the myriad of vengeance, you emerge as an emblem of inspiration, prompting your foes to ponder the true nature of victory, a life devoted to virtue, growth, and a celebratory dance of self-elevation. Step into the limelight of Stoic self-improvement, where virtue leads the grand ballet of existence. As this captivating Stoic journey concludes, engrave within your being that true conquest is internal. These Stoic teachings are not mere life lessons. They are the keys to carving a life steeped in inner peace, steadfast resilience, and victories over life's unexpected turns. Should these pearls of wisdom resonate, join our channel for a continuous flow of Stoic enlightenment. Your role in this enduring narrative of resilience is pivotal. Together, let's navigate life's voyage with renewed vigor and insight, crafting an epic of triumph against adversity. Thank you for being an integral part of this quest for indomitable strength.